We're here, and this place is really cool. There's a huge playground, like a pirate ship thing.
We went to a restaurant that had Santa and cookie decorating activities for the girls.
The cookies. They like the banana.
This is our life, right?
Yeah.
This is what we do.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah.
Right, we're headed to Nick's Playground and Restaurant for some Christmas Eve fun.
Okay, yeah, so we just got into a red truck. We're actually meeting our friends again. We have been meeting up with the Davis family, and they have their YouTube channel too. You can check their link in the description or on the screen or somewhere. Just go check them out. They're awesome. But they have a couple of kids, and the girls have really hit it off with them. 18-minute ride in a red truck, though. Yeah. Let's go. That view is amazing. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Whoa. See that, girls?
What's that?
That's awesome.
What's that?
That's cool. What are you doing?
It's us. They're gonna be here in a little bit.
We're here, and this place is really cool. There's a huge playground, like a pirate ship thing, and a trampoline and swing sets, so very cool. And I think Santa's coming later, so that'll be fun. We're just waiting on our friends to get here, and then I think we're gonna eat something. I'm hungry.
You see Santa? You see Santa? Yeah, I saw Santa. No.
It's a top. It's a spinning top. You know what you got? Oh, there's a roll on you, spun it. You got kitty rice. Get lunch.
A huge salad.
beautiful.
What did you do, Harper? Wow.
Cookie. That was messed up.
It's okay.
That's a cookie.
Yeah, you got cookies under there.
And she needs to wash her hands.
Or how about you?
I got some this.
Look at them. Ooh, those are
And I messed up a lot of
Wow,
things. Because I did it great.
You did a great job.
Yeah, I put some lemon chocolate. I made the cookie.
Oh, those are beautiful, Cora.
I'm gonna eat it in a minute.
Okay.
Here, come over here.
The cookie, and I wanna eat it.
Okay, later. Why don't you eat it next month?
I'm gonna.
What you doing, Cora?
You too cool? Talk to me.
Everyone, weapons, go!
You gotta put your drink down.
Okay, that was Nick's restaurant, and that was a lot of fun. We're gonna go finish some Christmas shopping now, and that's it.
Think.
All right,
See,
we'll see.
you can't bring it, honey.
Is that cool? All right.
Toys are in
Okay,
a
we
box.
got a red truck waiting on us right now, so let's go.
It's really fun, and the girls had a great time.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun, and we didn't film our friends because, you know, we're just not, like, I don't know. We just didn't. So maybe they'll be in one of our videos in the future. Now we're off to Central by the airport, and we're gonna finish up some Christmas shopping. Is that fun?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I put more makeup on. Put more makeup.
What happened to you?
I got lipstick.
Yeah, I see that. That was disgusting. How was that coat?
I'm actually. Today was really fun. We went to a restaurant that had Santa and some cookie decorating activities for the girls
Oh, cool.
and a nice, awesome playground. So we had a lot of fun, and then we came to the mall to finish up some Christmas shopping. Now we're headed back home to wrap.
Did you get all the presents you wanted?
We got everything we wanted. It was a very hard year though, because we didn't really know what to do. So got a little bit of stuff though, and some experiences for the girls. Bye.
I know, babe. We're gonna get one. What's today?
Christmas.
What?
Can we do that again?
What are we doing?
It's Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. Can we come in now?
Come out.
The Christmas tree. Yay. I see Christmas. first thing. It's a video. I want to open them up. I want to open them up. Cookies. Santa ate the cookies. They like the banana.
I guess so.
Lily, Cora, and Harper. Wow, are you guys on an adventure this year? I almost couldn't track you down, but Emma kept me posted on where you were. So proud of you all. Keep being good and loving each other this year. Love, Santa.
But we also have 2 more gifts for you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So the girls just got done opening all their presents, and Lindsay and I got, I guess, presents for each other. We're not really doing that this year because we're doing this trip, but that's kind of our present to each other.
So we just got something that we
I have no idea what it is. All right, so what did I get? Unwrap it from this nice wrapping paper. A screwdriver set! Yay! Yeah, because we keep finding ourselves needing like some tools and stuff and small screwdrivers just to do some things. And I don't have it, so this is like a multi thing that was $79 baht at Mr. DIY. Oh, what'd you get?
Some slippers.
Nice.
So my feet feel better.
What is that?
Oh, swipe it. Swipe it.
Yep, swipe up.
Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. What is that? What is? Oh my.
Merci.
It says Merry Christmas. We love you so much and are so happy to be on this adventure with you. Love, Mom and Dad. Oh, click the open gift button right there.
Stop. Why can't I open one?
You can do the next one. What is this?
What is
It
that?
says the Nest International School Winter Break Camp.
Where is that?
You guys are going to go every day next week, starting tomorrow, to Little Chef's Camp.
Oh my goodness!
So each morning next week, you're going to go to this class and you're going to learn to bake things like cookies and cakes and things.
What?
Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Okay, it says Merry Christmas.
Wait,
Lily, Cora, and Harper, we are so proud of you and want to take you on an adventure you'll never forget. And then there's 2 little pictures there. Don't press it, Harper.
they're elephants.
Love, Mom and Dad. That's weird.
Why is
Go ahead and
it-
press the blue button, Lily.
Why is there elephants? What? We just eat
We're going to an elephant sanctuary to meet real life elephants and feed them? Is that fun? Okay, it is still Christmas Day, and we're getting ready to head to the Yummy Pizzeria for Christmas dinner. It's supposed to be like turkey and ham and kind of a traditional thing, so it's gonna be fun. It's amazing though. I can't believe we're like outside right now. Short sleeves. Oh man, loving it. Loving life right now. We're having a good time. A good Christmas.
Hey, Mommy, I love potatoes.
Here you are.
So this is our table.
We're about to have Christmas dinner. Some turkey, ham, potatoes, garlic bread, dessert, potato soup.
Yeah, so so we're back at that yummy pizzeria. We came here the other day and it was really good. But tonight is a special Christmas Day menu. And it should be really good. But it's 5 till 5, so we can't order beers yet, so we gotta wait 5 minutes. So far, I've tried the mashed potatoes gravy. It's amazing. There's just something about turkey with gravy that we totally missed this on our Thanksgiving catering in Hiroshima, because this is way better. Very good.
Ice cream. I'm so excited to go to that kids area tomorrow. And this ice cream is so good. It's Christmas and I can't wait to go to that place tomorrow. It's like a kids club camp where you get to bake. And then this ice cream is so good.
Well, we couldn't get a ride at the restaurant. We couldn't get a taxi ride at the restaurant. So we asked the restaurant people to see if they could call one for us. Well, they couldn't, I guess. I don't know. It was kind of a little bit of translation stuff too. But then one of the servers drove us home. So yes, that was very nice of him. Thankfully he did, because I have no idea what we would have done. We'd have been on the side of the road, like trying to pick up a ride. I don't know.
We're walking.
Yeah.
Do we have a good day today? Merry Christmas, right? That's right. That's right. It was fun. We're gonna eat food? That'll be fun. Well, we are in Chiang Mai and we just left the 7-Eleven and now we're heading back to call family at home. Oh my God, this is crazy. It's not crazy at all. It's awesome, isn't it? This is our life, right?
Yeah.
This is what we do.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go home and FaceTime all our family for Christmas. And it's gonna be fun. And then the girls are gonna go to bed because we have a busy day tomorrow, right? All right, we're home. And what a great Christmas. Freaking love it here. Oh man, girls are tired though, and we are gonna call some family at home. So we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.